Mono murikeito Vincent Onyanja asoroboti orore kranu nengora ya bene tokorwa gochiase ya mate ya nyagusira ikure gatindi nigo kiarure gochiase abainki nabiga abatumeki ba marwa atancheiri nabali bakubwaterana asobosaria wetingencho au imeye county ya Kisii okwana chinga kecho mu county commissioner we county ya Kisii nigo aboriri abo busaborendi kobwaterana na wekerania emeremo yabo bunebwenerete ase abananchi murikeito Brighton Makori roboti urwaso bwagare
ege kurega tindi ni gabono kiarurwe okyase bali baratoke bakwanga marwase county ya Kisii na bali barabe bakorobosali bonda se county ya Kisii gakurwege kurekyo no mo county commissioner Tom Wanjere yoderuna bindebita ojigo byanjerana kokorekana se county ya Kisii
agreed that what has negatively been trending, those homicides, those deaths, the too much pombe you have been seeing here should be a thing of the past. Those demonstrations you have seen, we must reverse that.
Nigaya kwa netaya anene ekranyornede nabo bisabe serikali bali bakora kigasi asinsemo awao anena se county ya Kisii.
It was an introductory meeting with the heads of department within the county, and the meeting was meant to bring us together so that we are able to bring timely and quality service to the people of Kisii County.
Boigo nigaba bolirie abo bisabe serikali ase county yo kubwatiri chiko na wikirania bamenyi bensemeyo ali baganetie.
We put a lot of emphasis on quality and timely service with reference to Article 232 of the Constitution, which has dictates on how a civil servant is supposed to conduct themselves. Admittedly, we are coming out of electioneering, and we have also reminded the heads of department that elections are over.
Boigo nigaba bolirie banyare bagwetanga kurwa sensemo ya gisiasa.
Our role this time is to deliver service impartially. We have also reminded them to remain apolitical, so that as civil servants they don't get accused or messed up as far as politics is concerned.
Nigaba bolirie abo bisabe serikali kwene kibuna ngobwatisi bare serikali eligo ikirani obokorari bwaye asaba menyi be county ya Kisii.
We want them to acquaint themselves with the Kenya Kwanza plan that involves the Hustler Fund. We are talking about enhancing food security in the county. There's a lot of government initiative to give out fertilizer and ensure that we have adequate food in this place. So we put emphasis on that because, again, some of the assignments, the agenda that we have cuts across a number of departments, and therefore there is need for us to have this kind of session.
Kulipoti TV